Hello. In the previous video, we looked at the main features of the DCM1 that can be managed using the UCS software. In the first part of this video, we will now see how to prepare an offline configuration to be downloaded later onto one or more devices. In the second part, we will see how to connect Live to the device for configuration and diagnostics. The last part is a simulation of a charging session for full system verification. In offline mode, we can create and download a configuration. Add your device. Click here to apply the configuration. We have different type of connections, automatically by Modbus, manually, via UWP. In this case, we connect the DCM1 automatically by Modbus. The DCM1 is now connected. This is the real-time view of the DCM1 monitoring activity. Voltage, current, power, total active energy, temperature, and other information. By clicking this tab, we can see all the data. In the Settings tab, we can change the backlight timing and turn on the DCM1 display. We can also change the communication parameters, the security key, and sync the clock with the PC. Here we can see the parameter changes. With the maintenance tool, we can set up the cable loss parameters. Here we can simulate a charging session. The UCS simulates the controller and sends the start and stop parameters to DCM1. In Settings tab, we can set the charging session settings. Now we can start the charging session. We can click Stop to end the process. Here we can see the same data of the DCM1 display. Here we can also download the OCMF file. To learn more about how UCS can transform the way you manage your charging station, visit our website or contact us today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.